If you're holding your deposit in USDC, you urgently need to decide what to do. When the stablecoin UST collapsed, everything looked similar to today's events. Save your money. My name is Den. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just suggesting you use your brain. You're on the Web3 Finance channel. So subscribe now because we're starting. Breaking news has raised concerns in the cryptocurrency community. Circle, the issuer of stablecoin USDC, is in a difficult situation. In Silicon Valley Bank, where Circle keeps its funds, $3.3 billion of the $40 billion supporting obligations is stored, causing alarm. Circle's estimated losses in the event of the bank's assets being sold could range from $200 million to $350 million. At the same time, stablecoin DAI is backed by 48% USDC, leading to a 6.35% DAI to USDT price dislocation on the Binance exchange. Coinbase has suspended the USDC to USD conversion mechanism, and Binance has suspended USDC to BUSD auto conversion. In the Curve 3 pool, there is currently a discrepancy with DI accounting for 209,649,098. USDC accounting for 220,127,642, and USDT accounting for 8,056,951. Meanwhile, Smart Capital has started to withdraw funds from USDC, Genesis, Galaxy, Block Tower. The situation is compounded by bank days off, which could lead to a surge in sales in the coming days. Coupled with memories of the collapse of the USD stablecoin, many are trying to exit USDC and DAI at a discount to avoid the risk of possible Circle bankruptcy. Will Circle survive Monday, where arbitrageurs rush to exchange their USDC for real dollars and drain all cash reserves in remaining Circle partner banks? Will Circle survive the influx of $15 billion in flow? Tether previously managed such an influx. The situation looked highly unfavorable. I'm sure this is CZ's revenge for the attack on BUSD. We'll be watching the situation, but it's time to make a decision not to regret about the lost assets. See you in the following video.